Everyone.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
That's Carolyn. So recently in a few of my videos, a couple of people have commented that my sound is a little weird, sometimes not as loud in one ear as the other. I might not have noticed because I usually watch on my computer, not in headphones, on speakers I mean. So I was looking around for something that would work with my phone. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S9 to record now, and that's what I've been using. So I was looking for some type of microphone that I could easily use that would improve my sound. So what I came across was this. It's the Comica CVM-VS08, and it's about 35 bucks. I decided I'd give it a try. Now you do need a phone that has a audio jack, a 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you don't have that, it won't work with it. But with my S9, it's plug and play. I'm actually going to just plug it in during this video so you guys can hear the difference in sound from now to when I plug it in. So how this works, this is a different phone I have, just I don't even know what model it is, but just for demonstration, this just plugs right in, and then you have it on your phone. You can plug it in either way, front or back. And then you have two different windscreens that come with it. Super simple, just plug it in and it works, and the sound has been amazing. It also has this plug-in back, which they say is for audio playback monitoring, and you might be able to use it for some other things, but you have to look into that. I don't use that for anything. Let me go ahead and just plug this in now. It's my S9. Never actually done this in the middle of a video, so hopefully that sound now changed. And I guess I should just talk a little bit more here. We'll show you the box. There's really not much more to say about this other than you just plug it in and it works. Now you got to know if your phone will work with it. I'm going to put a link down in the description so you can go to the page and look at it, read about it. It lists a lot of phones it will work with. I think it will work with the majority of phones with the 3.5 millimeter jack, but you should go ahead and go check on that. You can even write a comment and get a response from the company if you really need to, if you got a phone that's not very popular, not that everyone doesn't have. But if you have a Samsung, anything from probably the S4 up to the S whatever, whenever they stop putting the 3.5 millimeter jacks in, it'll work with that. So hopefully you guys can hear the difference. I'm pretty happy about it. It wasn't too expensive, just clips in, small, easy to carry, and you guys can hear the sound difference now listening to this video. So have any questions, let me know. Go check out the link. We'll see y'all later.